I finally got majority of my stuff and I'm just gonna work on just putting stuff up now. I did not iron my curtains or anything like that, so I'm going to leave them like that for now and eventually take them down. But everything is all over the place. Everything now that I have, I just brought some of these home, so this is all I have and I will be sorting out now. This got a little wet in the rain tonight. Let's get to working. Alright, so I have some stuff coming. I'm basically just gonna go ahead and put these up for now, just as a temporary stuff, and get the place looking a little comfortable because your girl want comfort. And then eventually I'm gonna change it around. You guys are gonna get to see that transformation, because it's a new journey and I want to take you guys along with me. So you guys are going to get to experience that with me. But for now, I'm just gonna do this and then I'll be back with you guys. I'll leave the outside for now. So for the bathroom, I'm just gonna basically wash down in here. I showered in it and honestly speaking, I did not wash it out, and that's something that I wouldn't do. But I just had to shower this morning, so I don't have the proper tools like to wash it and to scrub it. So I'm just gonna basically give it a little quick wash with this thing here that I got from Shein. I'm just gonna put these on the floor. Alright, so I got to put this up. The thing is, if I go too far around with it, then it's gonna go into the shower and I don't want that. What I did was to put some here and then I'm gonna put some on this side. But I don't have like the inside cover, the plastic cover to go in there, but eventually I'll get there. Remember, I'm just moving in, so I still have stuff to get here and there. Good morning, guys. So I basically did a little thing here, like just finished it to an extent. Of course, as I said, I have more stuff coming and so forth, so like for now this is just to hold me, and eventually as I go along I'm gonna do more, and then of course I will show you guys that. But this is just my first month update on what is going on house-wise and things that I what I'm doing. So let me just show you how the living room came out. Don't mind the curtains at the back there, but I basically just did the quick little thing here. I have to move the mop, sorry, these, for the kitchen area. This is what it's looking like so far. I do want to get some organizers to organize in there. And then for my room, I'll show you guys my room another time. And then for the bathroom, I just added a little bit of like a basket, and then my curtain, I got some inside curtain as well, and then that is it. So far for my first month, I'm gonna show you my bed. It's not made up or anything like that yet, but let me show you guys the bed. More curtains for my room for sure, and then this needs to fix up a little bit better, but for now I just have it like that. And then have my little TV and so forth. So this is basically the room. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this far. Stay tuned for more videos. There's few things, even though I'm in my first month of renting, there are a few things that I have observed and I've noticed, and like I think that I want to talk about just for anyone who wants to leave, because since this is my first time ever renting, so there's a lot of things that I'm learning and I want to share it with you guys too, so that hopefully whenever you're ready to move, this can help you guys as well. So stay tuned for all these videos, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.